Well, I'm the chairman of the 81st anniversary convention for the Central States Numismatic Society. We've been meeting in nearby Schaumburg since 2012 after having moved around the Midwest for many years. And I'm basically here to market our event.
Why is the ANA a good place to market your event?
Well, there's several hundred dealers here. Some of them would be new to us. Many of them are our loyal repeat clients. And it's a good opportunity to cement our relationships with them and to make some new friends and keep the old ones.
And Schaumburg is going to host the next Central States Convention. It's supposed to be a big show. What's going to happen at the show?
Well, we have a 315 booth bourse area. Heritage, which has been our official auction company for many years, will be putting on several specialized signature sales. They're going to have a dedicated World and Ancient sale. They're going to have a U.S. paper money sale, and they're also going to have a U.S. coin sale. We have a full range of educational programs. Not all of them have been arranged for yet. Heritage, our auction company, very generously sponsors our main educational forum. And at this point, Doug Davis, who's very well known in the trade, his organization is the Numismatic Crime Information Center. He's recently taken over the Anti-Counterfeiting Educational Foundation, which is sponsored by the Professional Numismatists Guild. And he's going to be giving a program about what's going on with respect to the counterfeit protection efforts in the trade. And he'll also be updating us on some of the criminal prosecutions that have been taking place in that field.
If a collector were to come to the show, what might they expect to see?
Anything they can think of in the world of numismatics. Between our 300 plus booth bourse area and our absolutely astonishing heritage auctions, if they can't find it at our convention, it simply may not exist. One thing we're very excited about is that over the past year we've absorbed 2 other shows that have come to us and wanted to be included as part of our event. The Professional Currency Dealers Association National Currency Convention has been folded into our show. We're actually going to have a dedicated paper money educational forum sponsored by the PCDA, where the presenters will be PCDA members. All of the specific presentations there haven't been arranged for. One that we have is Pierre Fricke, who's really both an academic and a commercial authority on Confederate paper money. He'll be presenting a program entitled The History of Collecting Confederate Paper Money. And anything that there is to know about Confederate paper money, I think Pierre knows it.
And why Schaumburg?
Well, Schaumburg is really close to O'Hare Airport. You can get from O'Hare out to Schaumburg for about a $28 Uber fee. It's immediately adjacent to the I-90 freeway. It has a freeway exit literally 30 seconds away from the parking lot of the convention center and the hotel. So it's easy to get to if you're coming by car. Oh, restaurants. In the hotel itself, they have both a very simple deli outlet. They have what I'd call a middle market restaurant called Gather. And they also have a fine dining restaurant called Sam and Harry's. And Sam and Harry's is a destination dining place in itself. There are many people I see eating there who are not part of our event that come in from the outside simply to dine at Sam and Harry's. And within a mile of our event site, there's probably 30 middle market restaurants. Actually, that's very conservative. We're right across the freeway from the major shopping mall in the area, and they probably got 50 restaurants at their dining court. So there's plenty of places to eat.